In this video I will show you how to replace the side view mirrors on 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima vehicles. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the front door on the side of the mirror to be replaced and remove the small cover behind the door handle using a small hook or flathead screwdriver. Insert the tip of the tool into the edge of the plastic cover and pry it outward to release it. 3. Once the cover has been removed, proceed to remove the screw holding the door panel in place with a Phillips head screwdriver. 4. Hold the door panel with your hand at the top inside corner at the level of the damaged mirror and pull it partially outward to release it as shown on the screen. Note, it is not necessary to remove the entire door panel to perform this repair, only partially release the panel from the top corner. 5. Next, remove the triangular molding from the door by simply pulling it back by hand as shown on the screen. 6. Disconnect the electrical wires from the damaged mirror by pressing inward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling it outward to completely disconnect it. 7. Next, loosen the nuts holding the damaged mirror in place using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. 8. Once you've loosened the nuts, hold the mirror with one hand and remove the nuts completely with the other to prevent the mirror from falling and accidentally damaging the door's paint. 9. Once the nuts have been removed, proceed to remove the damaged mirror completely by simply pulling it outward by hand. 10. Install the new mirror in its original position holding it with one hand, install the nuts and partially tightening them with the other hand. 11. Tighten the nuts firmly to the specs listed in your owner's manual. 12. Connect the electrical plug to the new mirror pressing inward on the electrical connector, ensuring they fit properly and the connector lock engages. 13. Install the remaining components in the reverse order they were removed, ensuring they fit properly. That's how simple it is to replace the side view mirrors on 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima vehicles.